So as you can see, today I have a new setup. Here's my Comica Love mic. It's like a giveaway I won a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't have the time to make a video. Basically I made, but anyway, we are going to work on the Zhiyun Weebill S modes. Let's find out how they work, if they work. Please stand, turn around. What's wrong with you? The first mode is the PF mode, pan follow mode. It comes automatically with the camera, with the gimbal, sorry. When you turn the gimbal left or right, it follows. But when you go up and down, no. Next one is the L mode. You have to turn this on, and you see in the little LED monitor the word L. It doesn't go up or down, left or right. It's only the gimbal, you know. So I'll put it PF again. So you see the difference. That's PF mode, pan follow mode, and that's the lock mode, okay? You see the camera stays in every axis the same, in the same position. So the next one I want to talk about is the POV mode, which is a point of view mode. If you can see, yeah, you just have to press this button. If I press it, it's gonna be PF, pan follow mode, but one more time and it's POV. Also, all the three axes are following my movements. I have the camera in my head, it's something like that. It's like it moves naturally. POV mode follows your movements, but it makes it more smooth. With the camera in your hand is not gonna make the video like smooth, it's gonna make it a little bit shaky. So that's the reason why you use this one. And yeah, mode. How to enable the F mode? You have to press this, not me, you have to press this one consistently, and while you're pressing it, you'll see a big difference between PF mode specifically, because that unlocks the top, the up and down, and left and right. Meanwhile, with the PF, it stays, you see, up and down, like it's locked. But now again, with F, it follows, it goes down, you know what I mean? That's the main difference between PF and F mode. So the next mode I'm going to talk about is the FN mode, this button. So it's this one. Go mode is the sports mode. So what this does, basically you have to press it while you're doing what you're doing. So what this does, it goes left and right faster. Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep. Then just leave it like that, you know, leaving it. This is without, and this is with that. so that you're using this one, you're using this mode for sports, and it doesn't go up and down. It doesn't go, no. You see? It doesn't go up and down, just left and right. Two more, but let's say this is the last for the most important. And here we have the VORTEX mode or sling mode. You have to press twice the POV button in order to have your camera like that. While you have your camera like that, it's advisable to put your tripod on the top like that, because your camera, your entire gimbal is very heavy now. I don't know if you can see. You have to press this down, and now you are good to go. The VORTEX mode or sling mode is like you're using it like that in here. So you can go up and down, right and left. So down like that, up, yeah, you can use it like that, like to create dolly effect or something. The last one is the selfie mode. This is nothing basically for me. I mean, you just have to press 3 times the POV button.
346 minutes later.
Or the 2 times F button.
Much later.
Yeah. I don't know, on the paper it says 3 times POV, but it doesn't work with me. It just works 2 times this button. So this is the selfie mode. Please stand, turn around. What's wrong with you? Yeah, I mean, if I do it again, I hope it's gonna turn. It's not turning, but it's not something I really like. It's, yeah, you see, take some time. I don't know why. Yeah. So, you know, thank you for watching. Really, thank you. I don't have anything else to say. I'm just like, I'm grateful that I almost reached 400 subscribers, and I hope before my birthdays, before the 29th of February this year, to reach 500. I know this is a little bit like 2 months. Anyway, I'm not pushing it, not making videos, but I want to. And if you're around, just share my videos, write down below, comment talking about other things too. Till then, you have to promise that you will be around. You won't cheat on me. You will be here till, don't know what else to say, you know. I'm so excited about this gimbal here. I'm so excited about this gimbal. Oh. What's going on? What's going on? Whoopa! Now you're coming back to mama. When I was pressing it before, it didn't turn. No, again, it doesn't turn, so don't know. Yeah, here it is. Take some time, guess. I don't know why. Don't know what's the reason is, Are you feeling cold, baby? Are you? Okay. You can like, subscribe, comment, anything you want. Share if you care. Say hi. And that's it, you know. Again, thank you to Komika. So let's talk about your New Year's resolution, baby. What's your plans? What do you think you will do this year? Do you expect something, you know, big change? Do you expect to become a millionaire or a billionaire? What you want to do? What you gonna do? Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this